Check out this super easy client intake tracker. You can input all of your client info with minimal typing. Plus, it has a dashboard that gives you a bird's eye view for 3 years of data. Hi everyone, this is Meeta. Let's take a look at how easy it is to use this attorney client intake spreadsheet. This tab is the intake tab, and this is where you'll enter all the information about your clients. Enter the name, say it's D. Parker. Choose the lead source. This is from a drop-down list. Choose whether it's a new client. Select yes. The date of consult, say it's June 1. The case type, again select from a drop-down list. Enter the county. Type in the case summary. Then choose whether hired or not. Choose the fee structure, flat, hourly, or percentage. Choose the payment type. Choose the case value. Type in how much was received, and you'll get the balance owed automatically. Choose the action required and any notes. As you can see, there's very little typing required. Most of the information can be chosen from drop-down lists. We now come to the dashboard, where you get a bird's eye view on a monthly and annual basis, and you get this for 3 years. You can see the total number of consultations, number of new clients, total case value, payment received, balance owed, as well as lead sources. The Intro tab is where you can customize the different drop-down lists you saw in the Intake tab. For example, the lead source, case type, hired, fee structure, payment, action required. To change any information, simply go into that box and type over it. You can also simply delete any information that you don't need. This spreadsheet is available both in Excel and Google Sheets. If you need any customizations, please let me know. I will be leaving a link to the spreadsheet in the description and comment section below. You can find all my spreadsheets at my website moneyusage.com. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.